I am here to present a project titled Blockchain Based E Voting System using Ganache and Truffle. This project was developed by our team, Krishna Priya, Purnima, and Karpadam at Vailtech High Tech Engineering College. Our project proposes a decentralized e-voting system using Ethereum blockchain. Traditional voting methods faces issues like fraud, manipulation, and lack of transparency. To overcome these, we developed an Android e-voting system using blockchain, Ganache for the blockchain environment, and Truffle for deploying smart contracts. This ensures that each vote is securely recorded as an immutable transaction, and our smart contracts automate voting tasks like counting and verification. The system also maintains voter anonymity while ensuring transparency. Elections form the backbone of democracy. However, traditional and centralized e voting systems often suffer from tampering and lack of trust. By leveraging blockchain, which is inherently secure and decentralized, we can build a more trustworthy and efficient voting system. Our application replaces the need for a central authority which start with smart contract and immutable records on a blockchain. A project has a three key objectives. The first is enhance voting security. This prevents tampering and unauthorized access by using blockchain's immutable nature. And the second is ensure transparency and trust. This let voters verify that their votes were recorded without compromising privacy. And the third one is streamline election management. This automate tasks like authentication, counting, using smart contracts, reducing manual errors. The existing system. In e-voting existing system, voters are stored in centralized database. These are vulnerable to hacking, lacking transparency, and do not allow public verification. They also struggle with scalability and voter authentication in a large scale elections. Additionally, property of software limit public trust. Disadvantages of the existing system. The current system suffer from low efficiency. Manual process slow down the system. Latency issues. Delays in vote processing and result. Security risk. Centralized database are can be hacked or altered. The system architecture. User have to enter the user credentials. These user credentials will check with the database we have, and this will ensure that the role of the voter, whether the user is voter or admin. If the voter is voting, then it will direct into the voting page. If the user is admin, then it will redirect it to the admin panel. Once the voter cast their vote, these votes are included in the transaction and added into the blockchain. Literature review. We refer to multiple research papers. One of from January 2003 explained using Ethereum for secure voting. Others described a decentralized e-voting system and blockchain implementation method. These resources helped us understand system requirements, challenges, and how to design a reliable architecture. The flowchart. First, in the voting system, you voter has to register. If the voter is registered, then it will redirect voting page. And if the voter is not registered, it will go to exist. And once the voting has started, the user has to enter their name. If the name matches, they can go for the next process. If it doesn't, then the user have to enter the correct name. And if the voter has does not have the sufficient token, it will give like if there is no in sufficient token. And if there is sufficient token, the vote is counted and the voting is successful, and this will go to the existing process. Methodology. Our methodology is based on a client server model. The Android app serves as the client interface. When a user votes, a transaction is created and set into the blockchain. The vote is recorded as a block, making it tamper proof. Smart contracts validate and count the votes automatically. The use case diagram. Here are two end user. The first is an user and next is the election committee. The election committee is one who the approve votes, and the user has to register, log in, and views the election details. And this voting page is only applicable and open for the specified election date. And if the candidate tries to vote before or after the election date, voting is not allowed. Software requirement for this project, we used Ethereum as a blockchain platform, Ganache for local blockchain stimulation, Truffle for writing and deploying smart contracts, Solidity as a smart contract language, Firebase to manage user credentials and backend storage. These are the output page. First is a welcome page, entry point to the application. Next is the voter login page. Voters log in securely in this page. This is the voter home page. Views, election and vote. Next is the register election committee. This is where the admin is used. Admin will functionality through this page. Election homepage. This is an overview of ongoing election process, and the admin can view the voters' requests in this page. Next is a candidate login page. Candidate access to the platform. Each screen has been designed for clarity and ease of use and security. We have cite multiple resources, including IEEE papers and international conferences to support our research and validate our system design. These are the references we have gathered information from. And next is conclusion. In conclusion, a project demonstrate how blockchain can be effectively used in electronic voting to ensure transparency, trust, and security. Using Ethereum, Ganache, Truffle, and smart contracts, we built a decentralized e-voting system where everyone vote is securely recorded and tamper-proof. This project lays a strong foundation for future environments, including large-scale deployment and integration with the government elections. Thank you for your attention. We are happy to take any questions you may have.